apps affairs show you.
How to use two WhatsApp account on iPhone. Follow these easy steps and you'll learn how to use two WhatsApp using two different number in iPhone. First of all, install the WhatsApp app and here create a WhatsApp account using your first number. And then to create another WhatsApp account using a different number, you have to install the WhatsApp business app on your iPhone. To get this app, go to your app store and here search for WhatsApp business. All you have to need, just install WhatsApp business app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, launch the WhatsApp business app. Tap on agree and continue. And now here you have to select use a different number. And now select here your country code and enter here your second mobile number and tap on next. And then you will get a verification code to your mobile number. After verifying, you will jump into this page and enter here your name or your business name. Select a category, tap on next, and here you can add a profile photo, then tap on next, continue. And as you can see, I've successfully created my second WhatsApp account. And here is my first WhatsApp account and here is my second WhatsApp account. So that's how you'll be able to use two different WhatsApp accounts at the same time on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.